Hi viewers, this is a quick peek in my house and I love to share the video in the house and around the house. I love working in my garden. So if you're new to my channel, I'm just gonna see you. Thanks for watching and welcome back. So how many works actually we do in the house? The little million things actually happen in the house 24 hours. So I'm really happy to share with you guys, and this is the first video of this series. So I'm starting keep updating you where we are, so keep updating my patio. So I'm actually doing my deck makeover right now. We did the patio makeover before, so this is a already video have the potato I planted first time, and let's see how it goes. I'm must gonna share with you guys how much potato I get. And the second video, this video, like the lavender, I love lavenders, but we have a cold weather, so I don't know how many times I plant the lavender, but it's never come back because of our harsh weather. I live in very cold winters, so this is the first time I'm drying my lavender, and I love the results. It looks so cute. I really like the video, so keep watching, subscribe, hit the like button and share it. Thanks.